Well guys, we made it at the shop right now. Let's go inside and take a look. All right, we're here in Justin's shop looking at the new motor. So let's take a look at some of these parts on here that are looking so beautiful. All right, we got this is the KC Turbos Stage 2 Turbo. That thing is looking so nice. We got the 6.4, if you can see that in there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there, got the 6.4. Banjo bolts. That's an upgrade. You can't see behind here, but I do have bulletproof water pump. What else? Oh yeah, this is Kill Devil Diesel Stage 2 6.0 motor. So you got the upgraded heads, internals or springs, cam, chromoly, push rods. But you can't see. Oh, we got the upgraded these are one of these 620s. Yeah, 625 ARP studs. So the upgraded ARP studs. Yeah, man, this thing is looking nice. So hopefully when we get it together, probably tomorrow, we can hear the sucker running. Oh, I got the MBRPs. These are MBRP high flow up pipes. Those are nice. And they work well. What else? Typical EGR cooler, bulletproof EGR cooler. And standard Ford oil cooler. I did not do the relocated one. Yeah, just means looking nice, looking nice. Got the Fox. Got the Fox 2.5 shots. What else? Oh yeah, and the BD Diesel exhaust manifolds. Those work nice too. All right, we will see him when he's fired up. That's the next time we're gonna see it. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Well, I'm actually getting excited because it seems like it's coming together well. This engine has got to be good, man. I know Kill Devil, they build good engines. I think the last one I got was just a fluke. It happens. I'm not really stressed. As long as this one comes out good, I'm all good. So I hadn't posted no videos about the other. Well, I didn't post the video when I got the engine put in the first time because I didn't want to say anything bad about the engines because I really believe that Kill Devil makes good quality engines. So I wanted to get this one in. If this one goes well, then I will post kind of the experience and let you guys know how that went. Anyway, next time we see this truck, it should be running and I should be happy. Well, well, well. We are sitting in the F250, the big beast, and so far the engine is running great. I didn't get any video when I was at Justin's shop because I was there with my dad and I was just talking to him, and I honestly was just too excited about checking the truck out. But I did. There's a nice little spot here in well, this is Diamond Springs, I think, before you get on the freeway where you can pull off. Like I took some pictures of my dually there the other day when I came, just to kind of go over my impressions. And so far with the Kill Devil, this engine is night and day from the first one. So there was something wrong with the first one, and again, I don't want to say anything bad about that because, you know, when you're building stuff, things could happen. Any little thing could happen. I understand that. They did make it right. Kill Devil made it right. So I'm happy to make this video saying that they made it right, and I'm loving this engine right now. Feels good. I haven't really done nothing because I'm breaking it in a little bit, following their instructions. But I can't wait till this thing kind of gets some miles on it and I can just really get into it. So you saw kind of the parts that went on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show the install in the truck. Show what the engine looks like in the truck and how clean it is. Look at that big boy in the background right there. 2005 F250 on them 40s. If you want some reference on how big it is, I'm 5'11". So let's take a step back. I can't quite fit under the mirror, but I'm 5'11". Mirrors at my head. Hood. Am I under the? Yeah, I'm under the hood. I'm under the hood. What about the bed? It's level too. It's sitting level. It took me a lot of time to get this thing to sit level. Top of my head, a little bit over the bed. You know. Let's go take a look at this engine today. The weather's crazy. Oh, and I'm not gonna idle it. Let you guys hear it idling because that's not good to do when you're breaking an engine and have it idling. So you know what the 6.0 sounds like, and trust me, there's gonna be more clips of this baby running. Trust me. Let me get up here. There she blows. Let me see. Sitting pretty. Got the fickandrepair.com wiring kit. Got all the full wiring kit, all the way to the block, to the frame. Odyssey batteries up in here clean. Everything's clean. I always like to inspect things a little bit. Just make sure nothing was left loose, an accident. There's gonna be more videos on this and the dually. One thing I am going to be changing, like I said, I don't know if I said in another video or not, but this Banks gotta go. It's not loud enough. It's just not loud enough. And after hearing that MBRP on that dually in stock, I'm putting MBRP. So I'm putting MBRP 5-inch catback. Same when I got on the dually, and I want to see what it sounds like with this engine. But the MBRP sounds a lot better than the Banks. I mean, Banks quality, yes, love it. Muffler's quality. In fact, look at the stainless steel muffler. You can see that's the Banks stainless steel, nice. But it's too quiet. It's too quiet. I don't want a super loud exhaust, but I really like the way that MBRP sounds, so we're gonna go with that. Well, about to get on the road, get back home, get back to work. See you guys in the next video. I'm out.